guys, you're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the requirement that you need to meet in order to monetize your Facebook page. Okay, so Facebook page monetization. Yes, you know you can monetize your Facebook account, and through that you'll be getting some money from it. So in your Facebook account, when you go to your Facebook page, okay, all what you have to do, you see this sign here. So you just click here, and then you see the performance of your page. Okay, so you just scroll down and you see monetization. Okay, this one you see monetization, so you click on monetization. So as you can see, I'm in Ghana, and these monetization options are available here. So we have the first one, which is like live ads, then we have in-stream ad, okay, in-stream ads, and then we have the subscription. So let me take you through one by one so that you know what you have to do in order to get monetized. So the first one that we will look at is the live ads. So you just click on that. So live ads, these are the things that you need to do. So you are not eligible. So for now, I'm not eligible. So go to your ordering audience. So you have a minimum of 10k followers. At this, you need to get a minimum of 10k followers. Okay, and also when you look here, in the last 60 days, you need a total of 600,000 on demand, live, and previous live minute view. So these are some of the requirements you need here. And here at least you need 60,000 minutes of 600,000 total eligible minute view in the last 60 days. So, and also here you need to publish at least you have to share 3 or more eligible videos. Okay, so these are the requirements that you need to meet before you can monetize your video through this option. Then let me take you to the next one. The next one is the in-stream ads. So with the in-stream ads, these are the requirements that you need to meet. Okay, so in the in-stream ads, you need to grow your channel audience. Okay, so you need a minimum of 5k followers. Okay, then after that a minimum of 60,000 minute view of on-demand video or lives. Okay, so these are the requirements. And then the last one here, you have to share at least 5 videos, okay, in the last 30 days. Okay, so this is the requirement also you need to meet before you can monetize your videos or page through the in-stream ads. And the last one is the subscription. So under subscription, you need to complete, so that under audience, meet one of the criteria below. So you need to meet any of these criteria in order to monetize your Facebook page. So a minimum of 10k followers, a minimum of 250 weekly return views, or then engagement, you need a minimum of 50k post engagement, and also a minimum of 180 minutes view. So these are the requirements you need to meet before you can monetize your Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. See you.